make it?
One more time.
One more time. Music's got Burrito Supreme. We're gonna celebrate Burrito Supreme. Okie dokie.
So we're here for thermometer.
Yeah, butthole thermometer. We're getting her a butthole thermometer.
Thank you.
Hey, what's up? So we're at the Hanko machine. So in Japan, instead of writing your signature, you stamp your last name. It makes it a lot easier because back in the day you have to do like with the pen and the ink and sign everything. So instead the government introduces the Han stamps, which is still your last name and it's still a signature, but it's used on one of these things here, and they etch in your family's name into the stick. And then you just dab it in some ink and then stamp the paperwork that you're signing, whether it's your bank loan or your contract or your work paycheck or the Han stamps.
Welcome to Hanko Vending machine. When you type in your name, it will automatically convert your name. Welcome to Hanko Vending machine. It may take up to 20 minutes. Please type in your name. Please speak your favorite Japanese character.
So Tamaki and I went and tried to make one for me. Funny thing is, they have English instructions. So people can come here and make their own Han stamp, even for those in English. But they trick you because they don't actually translate the English into Japanese. It's just a bunch of random Japanese characters. But for example, I put in my name and we do a translate for it, and it came up with things like lots of money or lots of hair or good luck or next to the ocean. So we figured we'll still make one for me just so I have a Han stamp. And Tamaki decided to pick this character. She thought it was a good idea because it has a lot of kanji inside of this one kanji, right? You have kanji and kanji with kanji and more lots of kanji on there. She thought it'd be really good. Lots of, complicated kanji. It maybe is like good luck or lots of money or something. It turns out it means next to or alongside. So we tried it in a couple of different translators, and yeah, it means sideful or alongside. So my Han stamp will be next to you.
How do you feel now? You satisfied?
With my Han stamp? Not at all.
Because I screwed up the kanji?
You didn't screw it up. You were trying to be nice. I couldn't use it for anything anyways. I have to register it with the government, don't I? So it'll be nice to have one, even if it doesn't mean anything.
How much was it?
$15.
Wow.
I mean, they got the little like ink pads inside so you can stamp it and you don't have to worry about other people's stamps, but I think the only one they had available was that one. It will come out after being cleaned. If the cleaning is not done, you need to wipe off the chips. So it's almost finished. Please check the surface. If there are any chips, please wipe them off. It will not affect the Hanko, even if there is a white space between the characters. Oh, I heard something. Is it finished?
Hanko is completed. Please collect from the... Welcome to Hanko Vending.
There you go.
When you type in your name, it will automatically convert your name into Japanese character.
There's a Hanko.
いらっしゃいませ。